Title: How to use Bitcoin. Everyday life made easy. Welcome back to Learn Bitcoin Happily. Now that you know how to get Bitcoin, let's learn how to use it in your daily life. Bitcoin isn't just for tech experts. It can be used by anyone for all kinds of things. Here are some simple ways to use Bitcoin. Buy things online. Many online stores accept Bitcoin. From gadgets to gift cards, you can pay directly with Bitcoin, just like using your credit card. Travel the world. Some airlines, hotels, and travel agencies accept Bitcoin. Imagine booking a flight or hotel with digital money. It's that easy. Send money anywhere. Need to send money to a friend or family member? With Bitcoin, you can transfer funds instantly without bank fees or delays. It's perfect for international transfers. Donate to charity. Many charities now accept Bitcoin donations. You can support causes you care about using your digital wallet. Invest or save. Some people use Bitcoin as a way to save or invest for the future. It's like a digital piggy bank that could grow in value over time. Using Bitcoin is simple. All you need is your Bitcoin wallet and the receipt address for your transaction. Just scan, send, and you're done. Now you know how to use Bitcoin in real life. In the next episode, we'll explore how Bitcoin stays secure and why it's trusted by millions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn Bitcoin happily. Knowledge is sweet.